Hi guys! So I love chicken and chicken cooked in any kind of Indian recipe, I love it. So I've come up with this innovative recipe with chicken tikka and I want to share it with you guys. So let's do it. Today's recipe is chicken tikka tarts. To make that, we require chicken tikka, mint, mayonnaise, chaat masala, canopies, onion, tomatoes and lemon. So first up, we have to chop up some onions and some tomatoes. I'm chopping these onions because we're making bite-sized tarts and we need to make them sit in the top. Just as the onions, we're going to be cutting the tomatoes also finely. Only few people know this in my life, but I have a habit of eating tomatoes raw. So a tip for girls, raw tomatoes are really good for your skin. They hydrate you and you can also use them as a facial mask by just rubbing them on your face. We are done with the tomatoes as well. And now we're going to be mixing the onions and the tomatoes together in a mixing bowl. So put the bowl away and take some chicken tikka and shred it. Just make sure you shred them nicely. Just in case you guys want to innovate the recipe all the more, you can use capsicum or any kind of crunchy vegetables in it because the stuff goes very well with nice juicy chicken. Here I have some pre-cooked chicken tikka, but just in case you don't have that, you can marinate chicken with some lemon juice, chaat masala and salt to taste. I think we are sort of done with the amount we need. So put the shredded chicken into the bowl of vegetables that we already have. And we'll be putting some chaat masala now. The reason why I'm not putting any salt is because the chaat masala has salt enough and we're using pre-cooked chicken right now which already has marinade on it with salt. So we are going to avoid salt for now. And now we'll be adding some mayonnaise to the chicken and vegetable mix that we have. I've noticed that a lot of times when we use any spicy or any chatpat flavors, mayonnaise goes really well with it. It just gives that kind of subtlety to your dish that you just don't expect. And now that the mixture looks pretty much set, we'll be putting a little bit of lemon on top. And mix it. This is out of my own choice, but I'll be adding a little bit of mint just to add that extra freshness to your dish. It smells amazing. When you cut mint and the smell that comes, it refreshes you immediately. So now that the mixture is ready, all we have to do is fill them out in the canopies. Now that the tarts are ready, all that's left to do is to plate up. So there you have it, chicken tikka tarts. Do try this recipe and let me know how they turned out in the comments below.